Hey there, I'm Emily Ames, and I help health and wellness brands and entrepreneurs grow so that they can make more income and scale their practice. So, if you want to start a Pinterest profile and start growing your business, getting more traffic to your website through Pinterest this year, this is how you're going to do it. So, one of the first steps we want to do is to claim our website in Pinterest so that it first of all shows up here on their homepage and so more people can find your site. But also you're going to need to do this so that you can start to set up like an RSS feed, which will automatically post to Pinterest once you create a new blog post, for example. So this is something that's really cool, and you're going to want to do this, and then you have to just set it up once and you never have to think about it again. Okay, so I want you to first make sure you have a business account in Pinterest set up, and once you have that, you can navigate here to this drop down in this account and then go to claim external accounts. And a little side note, if you haven't done this already, you want to definitely connect your Instagram as well, because this will actually auto-publish anything that you post on Instagram, and it will publish it as a pin on Pinterest. So I took a while to do this, and I wish I started sooner, because then I would have all that extra content that I created in Instagram on Pinterest. So that's step one if you have not done that, and you can claim it right here. And then to claim your website, you're going to hit claim here, and then it will give you choose how you want to claim. So I'm going to show you how to do this in Squarespace. If you're a Squarespace user, there's probably a similar process if you use Wix or another hosting platform, but I'm going to show you how to do this in Squarespace. So what you want to do is add this HTML tag to the head section of your website. So all you have to do is hover, and you're going to click to copy it and then click continue. And then you're going to enter your website URL, and I've already claimed this, so it won't work for me, but you're going to want to put in your website that you want to verify on Squarespace, and then click verify. So you'll see that you're unable to verify because we haven't taken that extra step that we need to put onto our Squarespace. So what you're going to do is go to your Squarespace website, and you're going to navigate onto this page here, and you're going to go to website and then scroll down, and you're going to go to pages and then scroll down, and you're going to go to website tools, and then you're going to go to code injection, and you're going to copy that little bit of code that you just brought over. Okay. So you're going to copy that and then go back. And then what you're going to do is you are then going to type in your website again and click verify, and it should then verify. Pinterest and Squarespace are now talking, and it should verify that you have claimed that website. If for some reason that didn't work for you, or you don't want to do it that way, what you can do is you can add a TXT record to your domain host provider and copy this little blurb here and add a TXT record. I find that a little bit more difficult, but you can do that. Maybe you've never added a TXT record, so you don't know how to do that. But if you do know how to do that, you can also do it as that option as well. So once you get that verified, you are all set, and you will see that right here, it should list your website. You can unclaim it at any time if you no longer have that domain. And what's amazing is now you can start to auto-publish and put your RSS feed directly into Pinterest, and I will show you how to do that in another YouTube tutorial. Thank you.